Hey everybody, I got a couple teachers email me with issues about not knowing how to see who their conference is scheduled for on their team's calendar. They're mostly seeing the parent's name instead of the student's name. So I just wanted to send out this quick workaround, okay? So in Office 365, you're gonna go to Bookings. And if you click on the waffle, remember that's where all your apps are located. My Bookings pops up here because I use it frequently. But if yours isn't popping up in this general area, just click on All Apps and start typing in bookings and it will pop up, okay? Now, if you're new, you didn't do conferences with us in October, your first screen is gonna look a little bit different than this. You have to add the King Science calendar. So you'll just start typing in King Science, and then this logo should pop up, okay? If you need help with that, please let me know. We can video chat today on our remote learning day. So once you're in bookings, click on calendar. And then up here, you want to click on the date here, and you want to either move forward to the 24th or the 25th, since that's when conferences are. And then you want to scroll over to your name. I'm going to use Mr. Sharp here just since he's right in front of me. Thanks, Mr. Sharp. So I click on the conference, and then up here in the upper right-hand corner, there's this rectangle with a vertical line through it. I'm going to click on that. And when parents sign up for conferences, they do have to input their student's name. And so that that information is down here. Just scroll down a little bit. This is, for example, for Enasia Smith. So that's just for your information, how to find conferences. That is a really quick workaround right now. So I hope that helps. Thanks, everyone.